Hello everyone, and welcome back to DLL Studio. Today, we're diving into the world of command prompt on Windows and exploring all the commands you need to know. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, this guide will help you navigate through the CMD with ease. So, let's get started. First things first, let's open up command prompt. You can do this by typing CMD in the Windows search bar and hitting enter. Now, let's explore some basic commands that you'll use frequently. The dir command, for example, lists all the files and directories in the current folder. Next up, we have the cd command, which allows you to navigate through different directories. For instance, typing cd desktop will take you to the desktop directory. Moving on, we have the mkdir command, which creates a new directory. Simply type mkdir followed by the name of the directory you want to create. Now, let's talk about some more advanced commands. The ipconfig command, for example, displays network information such as IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Another useful command is ping, which checks the connectivity between your computer and a specified network device. And finally, we have the tasklist command, which displays a list of all the running processes on your computer. This can be handy for troubleshooting or monitoring system performance. Now, let's delve into some more commands to enhance your CMD skills. The system info command provides detailed information about your system's configuration, including operating system version, installed hotfixes, and more. And finally, we have the shutdown command, which allows you to shut down, restart, or log off your computer from the command line. It's a quick and convenient way to manage your system's power options. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, here's a quick tip. If you ever get stuck or need help while using command prompt, simply type help followed by the command you want to learn more about. This will display detailed information and usage examples for that command, helping you troubleshoot and navigate through CMD more effectively. And don't forget, you can personalize your command prompt experience by changing its font size and color. To change the font size, right-click on the command prompt title bar, select Properties, navigate to the Font tab, and adjust the size to your preference. Similarly, you can change the color scheme by going to the Colors tab in the Properties window. Experiment with different color combinations until you find the one that suits you best. Finally, thank you for your support and for being part of our DLL Studio YouTube channel community. Your feedback and engagement mean the world to us.